Wireless microphones could be extremely expensive. For example, Rode is way more than $100. Also, Holy Land, quite expensive, very popular with YouTubers. But I found something on AliExpress for $30. Can this be the same or even better than the more expensive devices? Let's find out. Then on the box it says plug and play, 50-meter reception, precise audio, clear treble, high sensitivity, widely compatible. So this is how they look like. You can see we have a screen on the front, which is, well, for $30, that's mind-blowing. And then they are. And then we do have USB Type-C, also pass-through if you want to charge at the same time, which is super convenient. And the microphone itself, let me put it aside, there's a Xiaomi logo on it, USB Type-C on the charger. That's quite big compared to the Holy Land. Let me just bring the Holy Land. See the difference, the size difference? But weight? A bit heavier, a bit. Okay, let's put the Holy Land aside. USB Type-C and ports for charging. We have a nice clip. Magnetic. 2 magnets, like you can see. Microphone and button. Receiver itself, compared to the Holy Land, I think same size, but this one has a screen on it, and at least it looks like a screen. In the accessories, there's only 2 cables, no dead cat, which is, I would love to have a dead cat. No cables, I don't care. Dead cat, yes. But the main question is, are they good at all? At the moment, you can hear me with a Rode Me, which is quite expensive. And Holy Land, which is convenient because it's small, light, and easy to use. And it also sounds good. It's not the same quality of a sound. I think Rode sounds the best, but it's still a convenient, easy to use device. Alright, so this is it. This is how it sounds like without noise cancellation. I think for $30, less than $30, link in the description with all kinds of coupon codes, that is just mind-blowing. If you don't have hundreds and hundreds of dollars for more premium devices, there's a great solution for you. Outstanding for beginners. By the way, and the receiver doesn't have a screen, it's just a black. No, it's not a screen, but we have 2 of them, and when we use 2 of them, they will not be in stereo, there will be mono, 1 stream of audio, but that's okay. $30, that is just amazing for such a quality sound. And we are another studio which has a sound treatment, and wow, it's a huge difference. No echo at all. It's almost like a 0 chamber, almost. And there you go, we are outside, but like it's not windy at all. Oh, check this out. Such a ride. You could say it's a vintage green Polonis. Wow, check out the paint. What happened to the paint? Super cool. Alright, we are outside. It is loud. Let me switch on the noise cancellation. There it is. And do we hear any difference? Is there any difference to the noise cancellation? Passing cars. Let me switch it off. And now it's off. Maybe there is some difference. Maybe. I think it's a fantastic set for someone in a budget. Do remember, then it could sound different with a different smartphone, because smartphone has their own deck and their own settings, audio settings. At the moment I'm filming with a Realme. And this is how it sounds like with Xiaomi 15. All in all, what a fantastic deal. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.